Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Neue Washing Machine. What goes in what compartment? I don't know about you, but I'm always forgetting what goes in what compartment. Right, let's get cracking. What you can do is you can use these pods which go directly inside the washing machine drum, in which case you don't have to worry about the dispenser drawer. This is the Neue Washing Machine here, and this is an integrated washing machine, and the dispenser / detergent drawer is up here on the left hand side. So I'll just gently pull it out and then just quickly go through the compartments. And this particular model has actually got the wording on the bottom of the dispenser tray, so this is much easier. The first compartment here is the pre-wash, so if you've got any heavily soiled items, such as if you've lent your boxer shorts to Chewbacca and they come back a bit soiled, you might want to do a pre-wash, and this just does a quick pre-wash before the main wash to try and help get rid of any stains. This middle compartment is for the main washing detergent. Now this can be liquid or powder. Now I actually prefer to use liquid, and depending on how much laundry you've got in your washing machine depends on how much liquid detergent you actually use, but generally it's between 30 to 75 milliliters. Now this final compartment is where you put your fabric softener. Now it's very important not to go above the maximum level, and on this machine it's actually 100 milliliters. If you overfill that, it can stain your clothes. You can also put in here any additives, any fragrances, starch or brighteners, etc. What I'll do now is just remove the dispenser drawer just so we can give that a clean and the inside area a clean as well. So what you do is you just push this button down gently and that releases a small clip, and then you can just remove the whole dispenser drawer. And the fabric softener level indicator comes out, so that gives you better access to give that a good clean. Now I find the best way to clean all this area is to use your partner's toothbrush.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning the washing machine again?
No. So take your toothbrush and some hot soapy water and then just give the dispenser drawer a really good clean. Get rid of any mould or any gunk. And then inside the dispenser drawer you can use this as well, but just make sure you block up that big hole with a cloth, because you do not want to drop your toothbrush down there, because that will be a world of pain. And then it should look immaculate like this one. To put the dispenser drawer back in, just line it up with the grooves, and then you'll need to just push that button down just to release it from the clip, and then it should just slide all the way home. And then I definitely recommend every 30 washing cycles running a hygienically fresh washing program, and there's a link above now about how to do that. And now the little hand says it's time for a cup of tea. Tea! Tea! If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.